What is up? And today we're going to play a new game in Roblox. Yes, and we are playing Garden Horizon. It's basically a Grow Garden 2.0. But yeah, I'm gonna show you how it works. I know I have been starting already, but it's because we were doing something. My mother's doing something. She's 100,000 money. She's rich. But yeah, you go to the seeds, okay, you go there. You plant your carrots. Yeah, we should buy some carrots, why not? I mean, I'm just gonna see if there's place to put the carrots and other stuff, buy everything. Then, you gotta go to your garden. I don't mind about the stuff for now. You plant your carrot, okay, I'm just gonna plant two because we're gonna use this for later. And they obviously grow, like grow a garden, this is obvious. So where's my garden? My garden looks so good so far. By the way, I just did this for a day, so you haven't missed much. Really. So this is an unripe carrot. As it goes time, it goes ripened, and then it goes 2 times, and then you must wait a bit longer to get the lush, which is the most out of it. 3 times. Yeah, it's basically the new up here. Basically the stuff got some strawberries. It's also other stuff. Other stuff like corn, this dawn stuff. But anyways, what? Yeah, man, it's been a long time since I played Grow Garden. Grow Garden was great and all, but yeah, during the freaking updates, it just went from hero to zero. Yes. Anyways, let's see. Oh, mommy, your mother is a wheat in stock. Yeah, it's wheat. Okay, let me buy wheat. Jesus, this is a lot of money. I just lost 100k in like 2 seconds. No, there is wheat. Go down, scroll down. Wheat, yeah. I know the thing can take your money away some more. But I think these are single harvests, so like they gave more money and so on. But anyways, we are trying. Me and my mother is trying to get like the best seed, which is the cherry, which is like 1 million. I don't know. You can probably catch up. You probably put up a comeback and make like I don't know, like 60 tone blossoms, I guess. Yeah, my mother gave the pack. What are it? But yeah, just like rock garden, guys. Like, been a long time. Okay. Anyways, I'm just harvesting all my stuff. There's not really like. Yes, you can favorite stuff. Yeah. Oh, you can just I don't know how you did it, like how you did it. You can undo it. Oh, yes, apples. Look, there's apples. Yes, I got basically apples and yeah. So oh, it's getting like quick. Look, it's getting quick. Look here. So 1.3, 1.4. It just goes like 1.1. Yeah. I feel like you must how the thing most like your like in Grow Garden. Yeah, instead of shekels, it's called shillings. So for now onwards, we're gonna try and call it shillings. And I think we think it's shillings. The Chinese people think it will. So yeah, we also got the quiz board, which can give us like so much like facts and stuff. Yeah. Oh yeah, and also like codes. Yes, codes. You can put like some of these codes like 358, which I already use. Thank you. Oh wait, thank you, thank you. I'm just putting in so you can see it. What else now? Dawn. If you join the community, I did already join the community, so I already got one of this. Yeah, one seed. That is the dawn fruit that you saw, like that big, like brown thing with the sun hitting. Then you got dawn fruit. This one is different. And also, is there any more codes? Release, yes, release. Yeah, that's all the codes. That's all it is. And there's also some secrets. Let me show you. So you go to this cave. Okay. Think it's like here, where the light post is at. You can squeeze yourself right into this cave, and then you can get. You see there's a drink. Anyways, there's a potion. I don't know what is this, but it may be future updates. I don't know. Oh, mother, here's the cave for me that guy said. Look here. Here's it. Look. Anyways, the seed shop is open. Let's go. Let's go restock some stuff. Yeah, I need as much coin as possible, yo. So yeah, I'm gonna make more videos of this if there's updates. Like, sorry guys, I haven't recorded like in a while, but I'm not going to record that much. I'm probably gonna record only once or twice during the month. Oh yeah, it's like by the third, like, it's where the cave is at. Then we use, okay, I'm gonna show you. Guys, I'm gonna show you once again. You skip like 20 seconds. Scam use. No, not by my side. It's like next to the cell shop. Next to the cell shop, you go there through. Press the cell shop. Oh wait, you're there. You're there. Wait. Yeah, you just walk. You're walking right direction. Okay, light post. You see here? Walk here. You see where I am? Okay, walk through. Yeah, there's a secret meeting somewhere. There's a potion. Tastes like grape. I don't know, but I think they are like spoiling some updates. I don't know. Anyways, let's get out. Oh yeah, it's like that. I know there's a spot with like a question mark or something, triple question marks. That's on the same spot. How can you press your garden? Yeah, my mother's still learning. Okay, don't make fun of my mother. Oh, got my wheat. Look at my wheat. My wheat is not even done yet. But some lot of beetroots. Beetroots really give you so much. Oh, what onions? Leek. I'm sorry, but I don't know what to do with that. The beetroot take forever, man. You gotta take that up. Yeah. How about 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 this game, make it half the money, but quicker. Okay, like quicker, like noticeably quick. I want to just make it like that. Like it's like, yeah, it's good, but you take forever. Okay, and plus, houses are so good than like the gray ones. Yeah, and then I just got my money back. Look, I got my money back. Look, it's like a lot of stuff, man. Stop it. Ah, mother. You know I play free. So we normally like play. Yeah, guys. Normally we play like at the same time. So we were just racing to see who gets the cherry first. Not $1 million, mommy. Just you know that time can be based on anything. Yes. Yeah. So even though you don't have enough money, you still have a chance, and you can be the first one to like buy it, and then you still win. Always improves. Hey, here's my sister here. You wanna play? Yeah, she doesn't wanna play. Shaggy. But yeah, anyways, yeah. Okay. Okay, can you? Oh, wait, that's not it. Okay, so oh wait, the mommy, it's also apples. But yeah, guys, I will see you guys in the next video. Just after when I buy everything. Do you get enough attention? No. Oh, you don't get enough attention. Okay. Why I'll send you to detention. Anyways, I was just joking. See ya. Yo. Yeah, that ends from here. Maui has 2,000, 200,000. I have 400,000. Peace. And stop with the liquor.